You know, there's this common misconception that getting fit requires a gym membership, a personal trainer, and a whole lot of sweat. But let's be real for a second. Not everyone has the time, energy, or motivation to hit the gym. Some of us would rather stay in bed, wrapped in our cozy blankets, scrolling through our phones. But here's the thing. You can actually do something about that belly fat without ever leaving your bed. Yes, you heard me right. It's all about those little movements, those sneaky exercises that don't require you to put on real pants or even step foot outside. First off, let's talk about the classic leg lifts. You can do these right there under your covers. Just lie flat on your back, lift your legs straight up, and hold them for a few seconds before lowering them back down. It's like a mini workout that doesn't even feel like one. You can start with 10 reps, and if you're feeling ambitious, maybe even work your way up to 20. It's a great way to engage those core muscles while you're still half asleep. Then there's the good old-fashioned bicycle crunch. You can do this while you're still snuggled in. Just imagine pedaling a bike while lying on your back. Bring your knees up, and as you twist your torso to touch your elbow to the opposite knee, you'll feel that burn in your abs. It's a little bit of cardio and strength training all in one, and you don't even have to change out of your pajamas. And let's not forget about the power of the plank. Now, I know what you're thinking. Planks? In bed? But hear me out. You can do a modified plank right on your mattress. Just get into position, resting on your forearms and toes, and hold it for as long as you can. It's a killer move for your core, and you can challenge yourself to hold it a few seconds longer each day. Plus, it's a great way to wake up your body without the need for an alarm clock. If you're really feeling lazy, just try some gentle twists while lying down. Keep your knees bent and let them fall to one side while you turn your head to the other. It's a simple stretch, but it helps with digestion and can even ease some of that bloated feeling. So, there you have it. You don't need to be a gym rat to tackle that belly fat. Just a little creativity, some determination, and the willingness to embrace the comfort of your bed can go a long way. Who knew that staying in could be the new way to get fit?